Okay, I'll share my screen. You can see my screen, right? So what you write is about this model pool in the note in the uh, resume that you can write these points under model pool. And the expertise of model pool, what you write is in part of that your resume only. Model pool. Okay, na? How build custom skins using model pool programming concept as per the business requirement to update the custom tables. Write these words better. Right? You are seeing my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Screen programming, develop plugin. Built whatever you write as per the ChatGPT suggestion. Okay. Custom skins using multiple programming concepts has built custom transaction codes better. Has built custom business transaction code. Use this terminology. Business transaction codes. Have built custom business transaction codes using multiple programming concepts as per the business requirements to update custom tables with business data. This is perfect terminology. Okay, na? Clear? Hello?
Okay.
You can write here expertise in capacity and table controls programming in model group. I don't know you updated your resume or not. Update your resume. These things already I put it to your Naukri. I gave you already the S4 HANA points as well. You update it, then you regularly update maybe once in 2 3 days. 1 line, 2 lines, no problem. Because when the search right it goes is based on the latest resume update people. You getting point here? Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So don't wait for the course completion for resume to put into resume. Naukri. Okay. So I said yesterday, did you anyone tried to populate the data into screen fields automatically without going to the default values? Not default values, gray out. Screen fields gray out. right here. Here, right here. I was telling that this one, no, you can do it dynamically through programming. This is gray out
screen
or
not
editable.
visible, sir.
For that, what you should write? Think of where you should write the code.
So screen not visible.
My screen not visible. Think of in which event you should write the code so that this column, this field will come gray out based on the username, for example. Suppose if I execute, it should come this way, editable format. If you execute, that should not come in editable format. That should come as a gray out. Gray out means like this. Think of where you should write the code. In which event we should write the code so that this field should come by default gray out. Like how you are getting client field, same way. In which event, PBO or PI event. Which event we should write? Think of no, tell me. We should write the code either PBO or PI. PBO, right here. We should write here. You can write here. There is a logic for that one. Loop at loop at screen end loop. With SY icon, uname equal to so we should what is the username here? You can write like this. Right? If screen icon field name equal to right Mora hyphen MATNR screen icon. So you can check it what properties are available here. screen name. Screen hyphen name. Screen hyphen name equal to input equal to 0. Modify screen. Let's see. Check syntax. Windows. Yeah. Right. Activate. Let's see. Put the breakpoint here. Stop. Execute. Check the screen field name. Matter. What is screen input equal to 1. What is mistake? Line number 58. Mistake, code mistake. See line number 58 and tell me what the problem. Think there is a mistake.
Table
Field,
name.
field,
Table name, right?
no, sir, field.
This is the table name. Table name. Right? Activate. Execute. See here. Material name is gray out. This is also sometimes they will ask me how do you make fields dynamically enabled and disabled. Think of what is the meaning of loop at screen. What is the meaning of screen?
Screen is internal table.
Yes. It's internal SAP table. Screen name is the field names you will get here. Screen input means 0 means you are disabling this one based on the username. So like suppose you see some websites, right? For some manager level people, some fields want to enable. And for the lower level people, some fields want to enable. Those cases we can control, right? With this one. Note down this point, so we can we, we can control screen field attributes using the below code where we can enable or disable these screen fields based on the user ID. Other than the user ID, what scenarios you can think of to enable and disable? Like one is user specific. What could be the other scenarios? Think of. Like for current days, right? Current day minus 10 days if I give, or current day plus 10 days if I give, how many days this will be disabled? Suppose here, if I say data. Let's first how we save data. Based on that date, you can think of it. You can put this one condition. Suppose you want only for first next 10 days. Think of how can you think, right? Next 10 days only should be this way. Take into system variable current date plus 10 days. You can try that one as a homework. Hello? Suppose program executes to take it today's date. Okay. Next 10 days only this should be gray out. After 10 days it should not be gray out. Think of how do you do this one. Slightly some little critical thinking is required. You do it, try yourself. Are you getting point here or not? Hello?
Can you repeat, sir?
What I am saying here is this screen disable enable. Okay, suppose today is 2nd June. Okay, so you should write a code till 12th only. This should execute. This disabling till 12th. After 12th, it should not be. Question clear? Hello?
After 10 days, it has to gray out, sir.
No, it should be gray out till next 10 days only. After 10 days, it should not gray out. It should be in editable format.
Okay.
Note down that point. See, whatever these things, right? If you do it, this is not only to know this concept. This is for your analytical thinking to increase, not to learn the concept of model pool. So that you think how you should do. That thinking is required in the for doing any new task as well. That is the beauty of this IT learning. When you are doing things, it's not just you are going to learn that concept. That logical thinking will enable you to think more differently. Suppose you are writing this program tomorrow. Okay. From tomorrow, 3rd June, next 10 days, means till 13th only it should execute. After 13th, it should be normal. Output should be available to enter the data. Think that. So this one we are not done. Custom GUI. Did I told or not? how to create the custom GUI here. No, this application toolbar placing on down. We'll do it. Where you should write, anyone remember this one? How to design your own custom GUI.
Module status process.
Module status.
Yes. On comment. Module status. You can do this one yourself. Huh? I'll show you only one now. Do it remaining. Double click here. Click on yes. Go to the create a main program block. Yes. Then you can write here. Uncomment the P of status. Go to here. You can write my menu. My menu or my choice. My choice. Double click here. Click on yes. Click on yes. It lost the short description. My own custom GUI. Normal screen. Enter. Okay. Go to a menu bar. Right here. My choice. Double click here. Go to here. MM01. For example, I'm giving here. Or I can give create material. I can give here is go to MM02, MM01 and say this one now. Change material. Change material. Right? Go to MM02. This two I will write. Save it. Okay. And application toolbar, I'll put one button here. Exit. Write exit button name here. Double click here. It will open the function code. You do here. Give the function exit as exit. You can press any icon there. Icon you can place maybe this one. And information text on the icon. Close screen. Enter. You can use shortcut key for this one. Okay. For icon, what text you need? Okay. Exit. Enter. Save it. Activate. Back. Activate. No, execute the T code. Okay. See my choice. Your no menu item came here. Go to my choice. Click on go to MM01. It's not going, right? Why? Exit also not working. Oh, exit because we have written the code. Why that menu options are not working?
You have to write code.
Yes. Where you should write the code that?
User command.
User command here. So what I should write here? One more else if SYF you come equal to within bracket. What is the function code name I have given, right? The same thing I should do here. What is that? New number. You can check it here. GUI status. My choice. Here I given is CMT CHMT. And here C. call transaction MM01 to create a material. Right? Else if S by F1 uniform equal to call transaction MM02. Check syntax. Activate. Right now it works. Execute. Go to my choice. Go to MM01. 20 MM02. Go to here. MM02. That's it. Clear, right? Concept clear or any doubts? So I'll also place one tab strip here. So I'll write here. We'll enter the material number. Then based on the tab we choose, the value should come accordingly. For that, what I do is go to here. I'll create two more screens. Create screen 200. Subscreen material data. Display. Click on layout. You should choose subscreen this one. Go to layout. Choose some fields from Mara. Material number created by created date created by material type material group and units of measure if you want. Put here. Okay. Next screen number 300. Create screen number 300 here. Enter MARC data. Click on subscreen. Go to layout. Choose the fields from MARC table. Get from dictionary. Material number. Client. Validation category. Added from. So save it here. Activate. Now here we should place the table control. Sorry, tab strip. How to place the tab strip? Take this one. Go to the table strap here. It's a tab strip. Give name as tab strip. And for this one, you can give name as Mara. Functional code as Mara. Then text also you can give Mara here. Tab 2 also MARC. Text as MARC. Functional code as MARC. And you should place the subscreen area. Choose here. Okay, here give subscreen area name here. Any name you can give, I can give subscreen area. And this one reference field should give subscreen area. Okay. Now we'll paste the data here. If I choose the material now, and if I click this, data should come from Mara. If I click here, Mark's data should come. Go back. First, we'll change the old code of PBO. This one, I'll put the comment. Check syntax. Activate. So we have to write the code here. This should be both subskins here. Okay. So right here, controls. Right, tab stick control name. Tab stick, I think. This is what I give, right, in the layout. This is syntax. Controls, tab step, tab step. Next here, we should write the code here. Otherwise, if you are confusing here, you can write a separate user comment. Go to here, model, tab step, double click here, click on yes, main program. You can write the code here. What code you can write here is you can write this code. Div. Is not narrow, right? So we should do our own table name. Statement. Oh, hyphen matter, right? Hyphen matter. Here also hyphen matter. Check syntax. This is also table name, not Mara, our custom table name. Okay, this will fail okay, because this data will custom table, right? I should define its assistant system variable. Sorry, variable. Go to here, data, SSN, type, SYFN, DYNNR, value 200. Next, you have to write the code here. Here, before process software input, you write call subskin area, including SYFN, C program. Take this program. Go to SCT. Yes, for syntax reference, I am opening this. Screens 100. Call subskin number, including subskin number. Next here, call subskin area. Call subskin area. Now go to here, check syntax, right? Activate. Activate now. Because we have to declare the MARC, right? Here, tables, MARC. Check syntax, activate, execute now. Choose some material number here. Click on MARC. Nothing is coming. Mora. From Mora also not coming data. M100 is not there. Huh? We listen very carefully. How to resolve this type of error? Data is not coming. Data is not coming. How to resolve this type of errors? Hmm?
Debugging.
Debugging, right? So how to put the debug backend here? Execute. Go to here. Put the breakpoint. Go to get point. Execute. Right here. Click on MARC. Because no data existing here, it will not come here. And if I click on Mara, single step, because data is existing. Data is not coming. So could be the data call subskin area, call subskin area. Why data is not coming? Good. Imagine it will fail. Stop here. Execute. Execute. Right. Material number 100. MARC. It fails because no material number not available here. Click first one. SY equal to Mara. Select. Select. M100. Correct data has come here. This should data should come. Okay. Think of anyone can give a solution. Why the problem happening here? Data is not coming here. Observe very carefully. Data is coming here because the same skin fields here and here, right? See subskin. This is the main screen. Data is going to here. So observe very carefully here. Exit. Okay. Double click. Activate. Okay. Now this one, no, this data is going to fill because this fills also in the same main screen, no, with respect to that table. That's why this is filling. Now, if I click on Marcy, anyway, no data. This recorder. If I click on Mara, data will fill here because both are in the same screen. That is the reason. So you can you create this in separate screen and for next class? This one separate tab step and only material number. This field should not be here. So material number only should be there. If you click on material number, choose Mara, data should come from Mara. If you click on Marcy, Marcy should come. Also try for the table control yourself for next class. Then we close the table, this model pool concept. Okay, now stop recording, Krish. Any questions?
The tab step and tab step with wizard difference.
With wizard, code will generate automatically system. With wizard, if you choose. Generally, we never use the wizard. We go over custom only completely. Any interest they have asked?
Yes, sir. For one of my friend, they asked.
Interview, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll build one scenario next class. No problem. We'll build it. Any other questions?